Hey there everyone, Tavian here, and I would just like to say that I will be making more tutorials for this channel, just they'll take a bit of time. I can't promise how professional they'll be, in which case I don't think they'll stack up to quite a few of the other channels I'm going to share here. I would like to introduce you to some other people that have made great Clickteam Fusion tutorials, because I will only cover so much in the future. And I do highly recommend these channels since I feel like they do a lot better than I can do a lot of times. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first off, Almighty Zen-Taco. I have to say they're the latest and greatest Clickteam tutorials you'll find right now. There are a few others that are also recent, but I don't think they cover as much as Zen-Taco has covered. Like, seriously, also you should find his Discord if you can. I'll link it below because it's full of just other helpful people that also use Fusion. Well, I say also, but Zen-Taco himself has not used Fusion in a bit. He's kind of fallen off of it, which that's fine. You're free to use whatever tool you want, just most of us here use Clickteam, and he hasn't taken down his tutorials, and that is very awesome of him. Snailon had a falling out with Clickteam as a company a while ago, so before you couldn't find his tutorials anywhere, but now they're back with seemingly no too much hard feelings. But I don't think they're going to be coming back to making new tutorials. But I do recommend that while they're here, you save them while you can. I have quite a few saved myself. Fingers crossed that they don't get taken down again. And I do recommend that you definitely check them out. In playlists, he has them listed in order of easy to hardest tutorials. And that's really cool because if you're a beginner, it's cool to just go through all the basic stuff and find out what all the program has to offer there, which is a lot. So yeah, definitely check out Snailon. And next up we have Captain Quail, one of the few users that actually have tutorials on using Firefly 3D application for within Fusion, which is super awesome because, you know, there's not a lot of tutorials out there that show off what it can do. But one other reason why you're gonna want to follow them is because they show how to export platforms like Android, iPhone, etc. And it's super awesome. And I can't thank them enough for helping me figure out the new way of getting games onto Android, because I'd be kind of lost without it. So yeah, definitely check out Captain Quail. Also check out their shop. That's also a new thing they're working on right now. And then finally, and definitely not least, is Clickteam's official tutorial page. I'm not sure if a lot of people know about it, considering they don't have as much subscribers as they should have, honestly. But yeah, a lot of cool stuff on how to like make all sorts of advanced things within Clickteam. I definitely do recommend it, even though there's not a lot here. You shouldn't pass it up either. Also, they have tutorials on their website. These are rather old, as you can see that they were made for Multimedia Fusion 2 and the Games Factory 2. But I say they're still worth taking a look at, considering that, you know, Fusion 2.5 is based off of those engines. And even if you're a beginner or you want to like open source files for like games to like see what makes them tick, or how to make your own versions of things like Tic-Tac-Toe, Snake, etc., then, you know, you should definitely check out Clickteam's official tutorial page on their site and on YouTube. And that just about wraps things up. Also, if you want, and you really should, Clickteam has their official YouTube, not just their official tutorial page, but their official YouTube that shows off, you know, all sorts of games made with Fusion, as well as official ports that they do to consoles like Switch, PS4, etc. You know, also follow this page because I will be making tutorials and they're gonna be pretty cool. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm sure we're not missing anything or anyone else at all. And like, subscribe, and I'll see you later.